1,000 YouTube Shorts in just 24 hours using the power of AI and tools like ChatGPT and Veed.io. We'll explore 4 different styles of vertical videos, starting with repurposing an existing video. Let's take the Joe Rogan interview with Elon Musk as an example, a 2-hour-long video. Instead of manually searching for interesting sections, ChatGPT quickly provides us with 5 highlights, including Elon Musk's thoughts on AI's dangers. To pinpoint these moments in the interview, we turn to YouTubetranscript.com. By pasting the video link, it transcribes the entire podcast, allowing us to search for keywords like AI and jump to the relevant sections. Armed with the timestamps, we move to Veed.io to create our YouTube Shorts. In Veed.io, we upload the podcast file, locate the desired section at 51 minutes, and split and delete unnecessary parts. Veed's automatic silence remover helps maintain a fast-paced feel by eliminating pauses. We adjust the canvas size, framing, and add automatic subtitles with animated presets for a visually appealing YouTube short. Following this blueprint, we replicate the process for 4 more shorts based on ChatGPT's recommendations. We can also explore variations by leveraging Veed's audio library for background music and stock footage library for layered visuals. Animated templates in Veed are another option, where we customize with our content and subtitles to create engaging videos. For original content, ChatGPT provides ideas, such as 10 facts about artificial intelligence. Let's use the fact that AI dates back to the 1950s and create a fast-paced TikTok script with voiceover. Veed.io helps us transform the script into a video by selecting a blank canvas, adding AI voiceover using text-to-speech, and enhancing it with stock footage and background music. Remember, while monetizing text-to-speech videos is against YouTube's terms of service, you can still create similar videos using your own voice. In Veed.io, select voiceover, record your own voice directly into the timeline, and complement it with relevant footage and automatic subtitles. These videos can also be shared on TikTok and Instagram. For clickable YouTube thumbnails using AI, check out our next video. Best of luck creating your YouTube Shorts, and I'll see you in the next one.